Let's see some hustle, people. We're doing galaxy-class engineering today. Do you hear me, Mr. Rutherford?
Sorry, sir.
Those isolinear chips better be a blur.
I didn't spend 7 f***ing years on a goddamn Hobart to get knocked down to station physician.
I want you to be a cantaloupe. Remember your training and you'll do great.
Thanks, Dr. Minglimo. At first I was worried
What are you doing here? Get the f*** out of my sick bay.
You need to sit, cross your leg over the back of it, and slam down. Command that chair.
Sir, please, I respect you and all Bajorans.
Oh, so all Bajorans are the same?
No, I didn't
Get
mean...
away from me! I need to concentrate on the mission!